I'm come back into Security Onion, and now the beautiness of the cool thing about Security Onion is that for each one of this value, you can read in an alert or in any other piece of information that Security Onion contains, you can include and filter all the log that has this value, but you can also press Hunt, and Hunt allows you to actually look in all the alerts for similar values, so you can try to understand what's going on. So now you need to, when you have an alert, you need to find some interesting information about this alert, such as unique information like the hash is probably one of the most unique information you can have. But if you scroll down, you really have a lot of cool information you can use. So you just need to look at all the alerts, and each alerts, depending on the modules that generate the alerts, gives you an information about some unique information of this alert. So in this situation, I have an alert by Strelka, so it's a file, and probably the most important and most unique information can be the hash. So the hash of the file is probably one thing that is really interesting. You have also the log ID, FUID, and that's another information that Strelka put into the log to help you find related traffic. So as an example, you can go from the SHA-1 and you can go and hunt. So you want to hunt, finding everything is related to this hash. So now the system is going to analyze all the logs that I have in my machine. So it can be slow if you have days and gigabyte of logging. And as you can see, it has a custom syntax where you are looking for this hash grouped by event module. So I want to understand which is the module that generate the event and the event dataset. So yeah, I got 25 event from Strelka, and that's the event I was looking before. So that's an alert. But hey, look at this. I have related information by Zeek about files. So probably that's what I'm looking for. So I can click on the Zeek and say include. And the include means I want to only see the traffic, the events about this module. So Zeek. And as you can see, you immediately are looking at some sort of destination IP. I can also click the file and see and say I want only to include a file. So I'm able to immediately look at a couple of local IP. These are local addresses, and that's a remote address. So I'm immediately, with a couple of clicks, I can immediately spot where the file came from, and that's the malicious IP, and which are the machine of my network that actually downloaded the file. Now, you can go on and looking for more data, but you need to be aware that the Hunt and Security Onion has really powerful language queries. So in this situation, as you can see, I'm looking for this hash and for event module at Zeek in event dataset file, and I group by event module event dataset, but I can group by maybe destination IP, because that's probably it's much more important information, because I can now see that the 10.0043 downloaded the file 3 times and 10.0040 downloaded the file a couple of times. You can group by destination IP and source IP, and that's allow you to do much more further analysis. In this situation, I have only one source IP, so I'm capable of immediately spotting that 3 times this file was downloaded by this machine from the source IP. Look at how easy it is finding information on your network Security Onion. Now,